Next example. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square equal to CB into CD. Okay. First, let's draw triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Here given D is a point on the side BC. This is a BC line. Okay, here this point is D. D is a point on the side BC. Let's join AD and given angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Okay. Let's consider triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Okay, triangle ADC. Here given angle BAC equal to angle ADC. Angle BAC equal to angle ADC. Okay, here angle A equal to angle ADC. Next, see these two figures ABC and ADC. Here C is the common angle. Angle C equal to angle C. This is the common angle. Okay, here using angle similarity criteria. These two figures are similar. Okay, therefore triangle ABC is similar to angle A equal to angle D. Angle C equal to angle C. Angle B equal to remaining A. Okay. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC using angle similarity criterion. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. So, these two figures are similar. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in same ratio. Corresponding sides ratio is AB by DA. AB by DA equal to BC by AC. Next, AC by DC. Okay, AB by DA equal to BC by AC equal to AC by DA. Here we have to prove CA square equal to CB into CD. CA square equal to CB into CD. Okay, so consider these two ratios. BC by AC equal to AC by DC. Okay, cross multiplication. AC or CA. CA into CA equal to CB into CD. CB into CD. CA into CA, which is equal to CA square equal to CB into CA. CD, sorry. CB into CD. Okay. See, CA square equal to CB into CD. Both are same. Hence, proved. Is it clear? Next example. A vertical pole of a length 6 meters cast a shadow 4 meters long on the ground. Here given vertical pole of a length 6 meters. Cast a shadow 4 meters long on the ground. Okay. Let's draw vertical pole. This is the vertical axis. Okay. This is horizontal. Horizontal is here ground. Okay. Vertical. This is the pole. Okay. AB is the pole. Shadow. It's shadow. Suppose this is the sun Okay. Shadow is 4 meters long. Okay. This point is C. Okay. Sun makes angle with the ground is angle 1. Okay. Angle of elevation of sun is angle 1 in this case. Next, and at the same time means sun position is same. Okay, same time means sun position is same. A tower cast a shadow 28 meters long. Okay, suppose this is a tower. D is a tower. Okay, length of the shadow is 28 meters of ground. Okay, is a 28 meters. Okay, sun position is same because here angle 1 equal to this angle is angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, here given vertical pole of a length 6 meters. Okay, AB is a vertical pole, height is 6 meters and shadow is 4 meters long on the ground. Okay, here angle of elevation is angle of elevation of sun is 1. Okay, same time means sun position is same. Okay, a shadow, same time a tower cast a shadow is 20 meters. Suppose D is a tower. We don't know height of the tower, so let X is the height of the tower and a shadow of tower is 28 meters long. Okay, here angle of elevation with sun is angle 2. Okay, consider these two figures, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here sun position is same, so angles are equal. Okay, angle of elevations are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Same time. Reason is same time. Sun position is same. Okay, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Next, here vertical pole makes an angle with ground is 90 degrees. In same way, tower makes an angle with the ground is 90 degrees. Okay, here angle A equal to angle D. Angle A equal to angle D. Each 90 degrees. Okay, here corresponding angles are equal. Okay, in these two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Using angle similarity criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, therefore triangle ABC is similar to angle A equal to angle D. Okay, angle D. Next, angle 1 is C. Angle 2 equal to angle F. Okay, angle C equal to angle F. DEF. So here D, E. Okay, here these two figures are similar. Corresponding sides are in same ratio. It means AB by DE equal to BC by EF, which is equal to AC by DF. Okay, Here AB, we know AB equal to 6 meters, D equal to X, BC, we don't know BC, by EF, AC equal to 4 meters and DF equal to 28 meters. Okay. So equating 1 and 3 ratios. Okay. 6 by X equal to 4 by 28. Okay. Here X equal to 6 into 28 by 4. Okay. 4 sevens. 6 sevens 42. Okay. Here X value, height of the tower. X is nothing but height of the tower is 42 meters. Okay. Is it clear?